Hey everyone, I am Dr. Sana Ansari. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something every MRCOG aspirant struggles with. Green Top Guideline. If you've ever opened up one and thought, where do I even start? You are not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to read Green Top Guidelines smartly, save time and actually retain what matters for both part 2 and part 3. So grab your notebook and let's decode them together. Why are Green Top Guidelines so emphasized? Because they are written by RCOG. For part 2, expect SBA questions like risk of recurrence with abruption, very important question, even came in my exam. For part 3, your answers are judged on how closely you follow Green Top Guideline recommendations. So yes, they are your MRCOG Bible. Now where to start from? Don't start from Green Top Guideline number 1. Divide them into high yield, medium yield and low yield. High yield topics like hypertension, VBAC, PPH, ectopic, venous thromboembolism. Medium topics are sepsis, perineal trauma, and low yield are topics like laparoscopic entry. Start with one important Green Top Guideline per week. So I have my 5-step system to study any Green Top Guideline. Number 1, read key recommendations first. That's your goal. Number 2, spot keywords. Highlight should, must, offer, consider. These show exam relevant strength. Number 3, note the grade. Know what's recommended, A, B or C, and skip references. Number 4, make one-page notes. Include key points, numbers and flowcharts. Number 5, active recall. Close the file and ask yourself what are the key points from this particular Green Top Guideline. If you can't recall, revise your notes again and then again. Now next is how to link Green Top Guideline to exam practice. For part 2, connect Green Top Guideline to SBAs and EMQs. For example, which prophylaxis is recommended post cesarean with BMI 35? That's an important SBA. For part 3, speak Green Top Guideline language. Instead of saying, I'll give antibiotics, say, according to RCOG Green Top Guideline, IV coamoxiclav is recommended for chorioamnionitis. That line alone shows exam maturity. Now coming to the revision strategy of these Green Top Guidelines. Closer to exam, don't reread everything. Make a one-liner revision sheet. Color code. Use your own color for important points. Use question banks and study groups. And always check the publication date. RCOG quietly updates Green Top Guideline. So that's how you can read Green Top Guidelines smartly. You don't get marks for memorizing lines. You get marks for applying them confidently. If you'd like a detailed video on any Green Top Guideline, comment below. And don't forget to share this with your MRCOG buddies. Study smart, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.